Hello there. Now in this tutorial we're going to look at giving examples. So imagine you've got a question like this, okay, and you've written your essay, you've pasted it in, and you got your score. Now what I recommend is working on like one area at a time. Just breaking it down into small pieces makes it so much more manageable. This whole IELTS journey really does help reduce the frustration, just breaking it down into small components and tackling them. So in this tutorial I'm going to look at this one, okay? Basically this point, support main points with an explanation and then an example. So here we've kind of got an explanation, okay? Such as Carbon is talking about smog, okay? Now here is a great idea, is a great opportunity to put in an example that really brings home our point. In this case, we need an example. Now, how do we give an example? In this case, we could say something like, for example, Delhi in India is a city that regularly suffers from smog. These particles contribute to numerous illnesses in the city, such as asthma and bronchitis. This was demonstrated in a study by the Indian government that showed that during the pandemic, when traffic was restricted and the city was effectively closed down, the number of air pollution illnesses dropped significantly. Okay? And now what we've done is just given a real world example. How do I know that? I don't know if it's true, in all honesty. But it's reasonable. It's believable. We're not going to get fact checked. Okay? And it's not a ridiculous claim. A ridiculous claim might be something like, pollution causes people to shrink. This is evident in the city of Glasgow. No, that's just ridiculous. Okay? However, the one about Delhi, the smog, the pollution, that's believable. I don't know if it's 100% true. I just remember seeing a picture of Delhi during the pandemic and there was no smog there because of the lockdowns. Okay? And if you need more help, then we've got a whole tutorial included in this email, in the email that you received, and we'll go into it in more detail. And of course, in the online course as well, we've got a very detailed explanation of how to integrate these explanations with examples, with real-world examples that help you boost your score. So have a look at that. I'll include the links in this email. Thanks. And if you've got any suggestions on how you are using this, some workflow, then email me at manager@IELTSPodcast.com. I'd love to hear it. Maybe make a screen capture video like this and send it to me. I would be really interested in knowing how you guys are using this software to improve your score.